Okay, here we are, the start of our Catalina adventure. What's that? The Vincent Thomas Bridge. Oh, and there's the ocean. Woohoo! Blackjack right in the middle. Alright, here we are. Hour and 5 minutes later, sort of. Here we are, 20 of noon. There's Avalon, there's a cruise ship, and we're making our way up this rather dry, hot hillside. Okay, here we are on the ridge. It's 12:20. There's Avalon, and there's our first view of Blackjack, just to the very center here, above that road, off on the horizon. That's where we're camping. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. We came over that hill right there, around that radio tower, down the hillside with all the dead Christmas trees, and right over there, dead center, there's a little picnic area with a water spigot, and it's just short of mile marker 9. Anyway, yep, 3:10. There's the road, there's the tower, dead center there. Came across all that up and down. There's the Wrigley Ranch Road down the bottom of that canyon. And here we go, another 2 miles. Mile marker 12. And there's Blackjack. And the trees to the left of it is the campground. So we got 1.7 more miles, I guess. Whoa, it's 3:15. 4:20. Blackjack Mountain. There's the spine of the island that we just crossed, and here is Blackjack campground. Sweet, lovely trees, water. Blackjack campground. 8 o'clock, we're off for a start. There's a buffalo right there, getting breakfast, dead center. And we are going down there. Little harbor. Down, 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 all the way down to the beach. And then back up another 1,200 feet. And up to 2 harbors today. There's the airport. So there's Rancho Escondido down there, we think. Well, there's where we came from, the other side of that ridge. Blackjack, back there. And there's another mile or 2 down to Bend Weston Beach. And here's Rancho Escondido with a huge construction site. Huge gravel mounds. Maybe it's a ballast factory, yeah, right? So, Rancho Escondido, a glorious bit of history. Guest houses. It took us about an hour and a half to get here from Blackjack. Alright, Blackjack, dead center with a little tower on it. Rancho Escondido. Grape orchards, what are they thinking? And what's that? Tourists. And there's Little Harbor. Woohoo, lunch. All right, beach. How sweet is that? Campground, Little Harbor. Oh yeah, my kind of hiking. Okay, an hour for lunch. That is a very cushy deal. Beautiful little spot. So long, Little Harbor. Alright, there's the windward side of Two Harbors. We got another 3 miles to go. And we're going over that. It is, 12:30. Whoa. Alright, the little pyramid bump right in the dead center. Blackjack. Some trees just to the right of that on the horizon line. That's the campground. We came off of that this morning. Left at about 10 of 8. Came down some canyon. Went to Little Harbor. Just finished climbing 1,200 feet. And here we are on our last leg. Another couple of miles along this ridge. And we're there. And there it is. Two Harbors. It is 1:45. Man, why did we race over that hill? So there's the Catalina Harbor, part of the isthmus. And there's the other part over there. And there it is. The leeward side of the isthmus, Two Harbors. And that's where we're gonna camp tonight and then leave tomorrow. Woohoo! The beer run. Here we are, home again, home again. Jiggity jig.